Are you ready to unlock a powerful secret for making money online, right from the comfort of your home? In this video, I'm about to share a game-changing method that's not only simple, but also absolutely free. We're diving deep into the world of freelancing, where you can turn freely available articles into a steady income stream. The best part? You don't need to be a professional writer or invest tons of time. Stick around, and I'll show you how individuals like you are earning thousands by leveraging the power of freelancing websites. However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. First off, let's dive into step 1. Head to news.google.com. Then for step 2, you'll land on Google News. This is Google's news gathering platform where you can access the most recent global news. On the left, you'll notice various categories like your country, world events, local updates, and sections for business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you select business, you'll get the latest business news, be it local or international. Now, on to step 3. These news sections update every few hours. New articles about business or your chosen topic will appear regularly. For instance, you might see articles posted an hour ago, 4 hours ago, or 11 hours ago, and so on. Now you can actually earn money online by using these articles. Let's take this one as an example. Jeff Bezos' space journey on Blue Origin's New Shepard auctions for $28 million. Simply click on the article to proceed. This will bring you to the full article page. Here's where the money-making part comes in, which I'll explain in detail. The first step is to copy the article. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'll just copy a couple of sentences from this article to show you how it works and how you can leverage these Google News articles to earn money. Next, we move to step 4. Visit Quillbot.com. Quillbot is a cost-free tool that rewrites articles for you, making it a valuable asset for making money online. Once there, just paste the article and hit the paraphrase button. It'll transform the entire piece into a new version, and the best part, it's completely free. You'll notice the original article on the left and the rephrased version on the right, now unique and ready for use. You can easily copy this revised article with a single click, setting you up to earn money online. You can apply this technique to countless articles across various categories on Google News, which refreshes with new content every few hours. Imagine the potential. Thousands of articles, each an opportunity to generate income repeatedly. And don't forget, later in this video, I'll share some free bonuses to help you earn even more. So keep watching. Now, let's progress to step 5, where I'll outline 2 methods to monetize these rephrased articles. The first method offers modest earnings, but the second could bring in thousands of dollars. In fact, it's already helped people worldwide earn tens of thousands of dollars. Just a quick note. If you're enjoying this video, which took a lot of effort to create, I'd be grateful if you could hit the like button and subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 2,000 likes. If we hit that, I'll release a new video next week with more tips on how to make money online easily from home. Now back to our content. The first option, which pays the least, is textbroker.com. Textbroker collaborates with major companies like Yoast, Staples, and eBay, paying for article submissions. The best part? You don't need to write these articles yourself. As demonstrated earlier, you can have them written automatically and for free, using a simple Google trick to earn money online. All you need to do is head to textbroker.com and click on I'd Write Content. This will lead you to a page where you can learn about earning money by writing articles for Textbroker. Signing up with Textbroker is free, and you can start earning by writing articles right away. In the payment section, if you click on More Information, you'll find a calculator for your potential earnings. For instance, writing 1,000 words could earn you $50. You can easily find articles of this length on Google News. Remember, the longer and better your article, the more you earn. For example, a 12,000-word article could net you around $600. You can repeat this process multiple times. However, keep in mind, this method might not earn as much as the second method I'll discuss for monetizing free articles. To get started with Textbroker, simply click on Free Author Registration, Create a free account and kickstart your earnings by writing articles. Another powerful avenue for monetizing these free articles is through freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickingGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, and Upwork.com, to name a few. Exploring multiple freelancing platforms can significantly enhance your income potential. By offering your services across 10 different websites, you could potentially increase your earnings tenfold. It's important to note that relying solely on a single platform limits your income to one stream from these articles. The more platforms you engage with, the greater your earning potential. For instance, a quick search for article writing on Fiverr.com will reveal numerous individuals successfully earning by providing article writing services. By diversifying your approach and leveraging the power of freelancing platforms, you can maximize your earnings from these freely acquired articles. So take advantage of these opportunities to boost your income and financial well-being. Many people are taking the hard route by attempting to write articles themselves, a process that demands significant time and effort. However, in the world of content creation, time is of the essence and customers, like everyone else, dislike waiting. What sets you apart is your ability to deliver articles almost instantly, giving you a considerable edge over your competitors. This means you can earn more money compared to those who struggle with time-consuming content creation. The evidence of this approach's effectiveness is compelling. For instance, consider someone offering their services starting at $35. They've notched up an impressive 148 sales, resulting in over $5,180 in profit. Another entrepreneur charges $40 and has garnered over 400 sales. A third sets their price at $60 and boasts 357 sales, and the list goes on. These are tangible proofs that this method works. And remember, these success stories are just a snapshot from one competitive freelancing platform, Fiverr. That's precisely why I strongly recommend exploring other freelancing websites in addition to Fiverr. As mentioned earlier in this video, there's a wealth of options available, such as Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickingGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and more. The key to maximizing your earnings lies in diversification. By expanding your presence across multiple platforms, you open up multiple revenue streams and increase your income potential exponentially. What makes this method particularly appealing is its simplicity and cost-effectiveness. It's absolutely free. Furthermore, it's a strategy that knows no geographical boundaries. It can be applied successfully all over the world. Whether you're in North America, Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, you can harness the power of these freelancing platforms to earn a substantial income. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips and tricks for success. And if you liked what you saw today, show us some love by smashing the like button. Your support means the world to us. Lastly, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts or any questions you have. Together, we'll navigate the path to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.